This entire Stickman animation was made using AI. And the crazy part is, I have zero animation skills. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can do this too. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to create animations just like this. Channels like this are getting thousands, even millions of views just by posting simple Stickman animations. And the best part, you don't need any drawing skills. In this video, I'll show you step by step the exact tools and prompts you need to create your own animations. So stay tuned and let's get started.
First, we need a simple idea. For this example, I'll create a short motivational animation. You can use ChatGPT to generate your entire story in seconds by using the first prompt I left in the description. Then, copy the second text and paste it into the Insert Topic section. Finally, click Generate and wait for your story.
Next, we create the scenes. Go to the Gemini website, click on the Create Image tab, and paste the prompts from part 1 by one. Then, download all the images.
Now, let's animate the video. Go to Google and search for Grok Automation Extension. Then open the Chrome Web Store and install it. Once installed, click on the extension icon above. Make sure you have the Grok website open and that you're logged in. Then click Navigate to Grok and the extension will activate automatically. Now select the Frame to Video option and upload your images. Make sure to upload them in the correct order.
Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompts from part 2. Paste them into the prompt section in Grok. Important, every 2 new lines creates a new prompt, so remove any extra spaces. The number of prompts must match your number of images. Once everything is ready, scroll down and click Run. Now the automation will turn each image into a video, one by one. But here's something very important. Do not close the Grok tab while this is running, otherwise the process might stop. When it's finished, the extension will automatically download all the videos for you. Now, let's add voice using AI. You can use many tools, but I personally use Google AI Studio. It's powerful and completely free. I've left the link in the description. Once you're there, click on Single Speaker Audio. In the Model section, choose Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS. Then pick any voice you like. Now it's time for the script. Go back to ChatGPT and find part 3, the voiceover script. You'll see different text for each scene. Copy all of them, combine them into one, and paste it into Google AI Studio. In the style instructions, you can ask for a warm and motivational tone. Then click Run. And download the audio. Finally, import your videos and audio into any editing software. Match them together, and your animation is ready. And here is the final result.
Ever feel stuck because everything feels too big to handle? Like you're buried under pressure? Time keeps moving, and the stress just keeps growing. You look at everything you need to do, and it feels impossible to start. But what if the secret isn't doing everything, but just starting small? One tiny task. That's it. Suddenly, it feels doable. Then you add another, and another. Small steps begin to build momentum. You're no longer stuck. You're moving forward, one step at a time. And before you realize it, progress starts to show. That big, scary goal, it doesn't feel so impossible anymore. Remember, big success doesn't start big. It starts small. Just take the first step.
If you want to learn more about AI and how to create content like this, check out my channel.